we have to find Rn. What is Rn? Rn is
n max upon n min.
range ratio. Meaning of Rn is range ratio. So first of all, we have to find Rn, that is equal to n max upon
n min.
n mean. Okay, that is very simple. 1800 divided by 100, that is equal to 180. Okay. Once range ratio is calculated, then we have to find phi. How to find phi? Formula for phi is Rn raised to 1 upon
Z minus 1.
z minus 1. Okay. Rn is 18 raised to 1 upon
7.
z minus 1, 7. That is equal to 1.5112.
5112. Yes.
5112. Better you take it up to 4 digits. We will follow this rule henceforth. Okay, up to, if you take after decimal point up to 4 digits, last speed will be very near to the maximum speed. Okay, after this we have to find all the speeds from n1 to n8. Okay, so n1, n2, n3. n1 is 100. Okay, 100 multiplied by 1.5112 will be 151.12, correct? Into again same factor, you will get all the speeds with last speed is equal to 1799.92. Okay, so it is very close to maximum speed, that is 1800. So I can also write this as approximately equal to 1800 RPM. Even it is again standard practice to just round up the speeds. Okay, like in this case, if it is 1.151.12, while writing it you can make it 150 or 151. If the digits are above 0.5, then you can make it to the next digit. If it is below 0.5, then to the previous digit. Okay, what I mean to say, in this case, as per that rule, it will be 151. What is the next value? Just tell me so that I tell you should be the values. To 28.37.
37.
So if you round it, should it be 2 to 9 or 2 to 8? 2 to 8. Okay, so that is approximately 2 to 8. Okay, like this you can round the values and then write those values in the ray diagram and speed chart. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now for this particular 8-speed gearbox, what is the structural formula? Yeah, just now I had written it. So the formula is, I just remove this. Formula is 2, 2, 2. It can be split with 2's like this, 2, 2, 2. First bracket,
1.
again, just as a revision.
2.
The general structural formula is P1,
X1.
X1,
P2. X2.
X2 and P3,
X3.
X3. Okay. P1, P2, P3 are 2, 2, 2. X1 we generally take as 1. X2 as coefficient of X1. That is P1. Okay. So X2 we take directly as P1 and X3 multiplication of P1 and P2. So P1, P2 is equal to X3 into 2 to the 4. Okay, so this is the structural formula and this will be optimum. If we follow the rule, it will be optimum. Okay, then structural diagram. How many horizontal lines?
8.
Z number of horizontal lines. So I am just writing here horizontal lines is equal to Z, that is equal to 8. Vertical lines is equal to
N plus 1.
N plus 1. What is N?
Number of stages.
N is number of
Stages.
stages. How many stages here?
3.
This is first stage, second stage, third stage. P X का जो एक ग्रुप है उस ग्रुप को बोलते हैं हम
Stage.
Okay, so like this there are how many stages? 3 stages. 3 plus 1.
4.
So we have to draw 4 vertical lines. So I am first drawing horizontal lines 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4 vertical lines.
काय झालं सर
1, 2, 3 and last one. Write the speeds values here.
1.
N1. Along the vertical line, we start from midpoint. Okay, midpoint. Now
4.5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1 will be somewhere.
4.5.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
From here we start. Now 1 input, 2
Output.
Outputs.
With the gap of
with gap of
1.
1. Okay, 1 input, 2 outputs with gap of 1. This is the first stage. Okay. Next, 2 inputs,
2 outputs.
2 outputs, but gap of 2. Okay. So from here we have to maintain a gap of 2 by maintaining symmetry also. So how will you maintain that?
In 6.
Shall I go horizontal and then 2? Then how it should be?
N6 and N4.
N
6 and N4.
and
N4.
N4. Okay, you mean to say like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
N6, N4.
Yes. N5 and N3.
And then from
N5
here
and N3.
N5
N3.
and N3. Okay, so here we have maintained a gap of 2. Here also gap of 2. So from 2 inputs we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 outputs. Okay, and from now 4 inputs we have to get
2
2
outputs with the gap
outputs
of
each. I am saying each 2 outputs each. That means हर एक इनपुट से आपको 2 आउटपुट्स ऑब्टेन करने हैं और गैप कितना मेंटेन करना है? You have to maintain the gap of 4. Okay, so from here gap of 4. So if I take say if I first of all connect it here 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it correct? So if you connect 1, then rest you have to just draw parallel lines. Okay, so from second I can go parallelly like this, again parallelly like this. Okay, third again go parallelly to N6 and here N2.
N2.
Lastly?
N5 and N1.
Okay, this is the optimum structural diagram for this formula 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
And if you are asked to prove that it is optimum, then there should be 2 diagrams to compare. Now here we are drawing only one, but if it is asked to like compare which is the optimum, how will you do that? Optimum diagram can be,
Summation of node.
to prove the optimum diagram we have to take summation of nodes. Which nodes? Lower or upper?
Lower.
Lower nodes. Okay, so we can take all the lower nodes.
1, 3.
These are the lower nodes. I am just highlighting them. Okay, so all these are lower nodes. So what are the values? 1 plus
3.
3
4.
plus
4.
4
Plus 4.5.
plus 4.5.
12.5.
Okay. So this diagram has summation of nodes equal to 12.5. Other diagrams will have summation of nodes less than this. This will be having highest number. That's why I can say that this is the optimum. Optimum का other meaning है best. Optimum is best diagram. This is the best among all this. Is it clear? Now, if you have to draw ray diagram from this, how many of you are present last time? Ray diagram. Okay. Anyway, we'll just try for this. Now to draw ray diagram, the rules given are, how many horizontal lines tell me? For ray diagram, horizontal lines is equal to vertical lines is equal to.
Horizontal line equal to Z and vertical line equal to number of
Horizontal lines
stages.
again same like structural diagram equal to Z, that is equal to 8. Vertical lines
Number of stages n plus 2.
n plus 2. Now in this case, motor speed is not given.
No.
Okay, for drawing ray diagram, motor speed should be given. Now in this case, if it is not given, you can assume that motor speed is equal to
Max.
maximum speed. If not given, are you getting me?
Yes.
If motor speed is not given, you can take that जो भी maximum speed है वही motor का, that is input speed is also same. So if I take that this is equal to n em, motor speed के लिए notation है n em. E for electric motor, EM. EM is electric motor. So speed of electric motor is also equal to 1800. So what is the condition then? What we are assuming now?
Equal to
Equal to NZ मतलब maximum speed.
Maximum.
NZ का मतलब दूसरा मीनिंग है maximum speed. NZ मतलब maximum speed is equal to motor speed. In that case, horizontal lines is equal to
Z plus
Z. Okay. So this is not to be changed. Now, so how many horizontal lines again? 8 lines. But vertical lines will be 1 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now vertical 10 mean 1, 2, 3, 4 and
5.
okay. Then ray diagram. We have to start from the condition. Last speed of the last stage. Okay. Now इसके shafts. How what is this? First shaft is
Motor shaft.
motor shaft. So this is speed of the motor. NMS मतलब speed of motor shaft. उसके बाद आगे वाला
Stage 1 to 2.
speed of or you can write this as first shaft, then
Second shaft.
then third, and lastly fourth shaft. Now what is the meaning of this? मोटर शाफ्ट के बाद पहले शाफ्ट तक स्पीड रिड्यूस होगा या सेम रहेगा? ऑटोमेटिकली मोटर से लेकर जो पहला शाफ्ट है गियर बॉक्स का वहां तक स्पीड या तो सेम रहेगा या फिर रिड्यूस होगा. Okay, so that is the first reduction if required. Then 1 to 2 is nothing but this is stage 1. हमारे केस में कितने स्टेजेस हैं यहाँ पे? 3 स्टेजेस. ओके, सो 1 और 2 के बीच में एक स्टेज होगी. शाफ्ट 1 और 2 के बीच में क्या होगी? एक स्टेज. दूसरे और तीसरे के बीच में सेकंड स्टेज. सो दिस इज स्टेज नंबर 2 एंड लास्टली स्टेज नंबर 3. सो वी आर गेटिंग 3 stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Right? Now, what is our formula? 2, 1, 2, 2. Now, in case of ray diagram, we have to start from the last shaft. और last shaft में भी last speed. Last मतलब minimum. Not last मतलब ये maximum नहीं. Okay? For information, you can write all the speeds here. What is the first speed? 100. And here 180. You can write remaining speeds. हमें start कहाँ से करना है? मिनिमम स्पीड से और लास्ट शाफ्ट से. ओके, दैट मींस फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव टू स्टार्ट? यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, और यहां से प्रीवियस को कनेक्ट करना है. कैसे? हाउ टू कनेक्ट? बाय मेंटेनिंग अ गैप ऑफ 4. लास्ट में क्या गैप है? गैप कितना मेंटेन करना है? 4 का. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कनेक्ट टू द प्रीवियस शाफ्ट विद गैप ऑफ 4. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 मतलब यहाँ से लेकर अभी प्रीवियस को कनेक्ट होगा, लेकिन 2 कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. कौन सी कंडीशन?
Maximum increase and
Maximum
reduction.
इंक्रीज इन स्पीड
Greater than
कितना होना चाहिए? शुड बी ग्रेटर देन लेस देन और इक्वल टू
2.
मैक्सिमम इंक्रीज शुड बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू 2. मैक्सिमम
Reduction
रिडक्शन
greater than or equal to
should be greater than or equal to 0.25. इसके लिए आपको सभी स्पीड यहाँ पे पहले लिखने होंगे. ओके, so tell me next. करेक्ट? वैल्यूज आर करेक्ट ना? हाँ. अभी हमने क्या किया? यहाँ से और यहाँ से दो पॉइंट्स आपको कनेक्ट करने हैं. आप 4 का होना चाहिए. ओके, 1 2 3 4 वी हैव टू कनेक्ट टू द प्रीवियस. लेकिन बाय कनेक्टिंग वी हैव टू सी दैट मैक्सिमम इंक्रीज शुड बी लेस देन 2. नाउ इफ आई कनेक्ट इट विद दिस पॉइंट, से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई कनेक्ट इट हियर. अब मैंने ये और ये इस तरह से कनेक्ट किए, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये जो स्पीड है प्रीवियस शाफ्ट की जो स्पीड है 521, वो रिड्यूस होकर कहाँ पे जाएगा? 100 पे जाएगा. Now are we getting that reduction? 100 divided by 521 कितना वैल्यू?
0.19.
0.19. 19 वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग दिस रूल
Yes.
रिडक्शन कितना हो गया
1.19.
0.19 हमें 20.25 के ऊपर चाहिए
Yes.
मतलब कहाँ पे कनेक्ट होना चाहिए shall I connect it here 345 to 100 रिडक्शन हो रहा है ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ये जो है ये रिडक्शन है इस शाफ्ट के बाद अगर आपको ये स्पीड मिलता है तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा 345 का स्पीड रिड्यूस हो गया कितना होगा 100 होगा इफ आई कनेक्ट इट लाइक दिस ओके सो 100 डिवाइडेड बाय
345.
345 थैंक यू वेरी मच 0.28 so this is acceptable
Yes.
रिडक्शन कितना हो गया यहाँ पे 0.28 हमें कितना चाहिए 0.25 के ऊपर चाहिए so I can connect it like this
Yes.
are you getting or not that means this point can be connected to this हाँ or before connection we have to check increase also यहाँ पे increase हो रहा है क्या
Alright.
increasing or not नहीं
Yes.
ये यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो तो increase होगा ना
Yes.
345 अभी ये स्पीड ये पॉइंट आप इसके साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे तो स्पीड क्या हो रहा है increase 345 से कितना हो रहा है increase up to 521 so what is the increase increase is equal to 521 divided by 345 1.51 1.51 is less than 2 हम इस तरह से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ये आपको वेरीफाई करना है देन ओनली यू टू गो ऑन कनेक्टिंग द पॉइंट सो आई कैन कनेक्ट इट लाइक दिस ये हो गया पहला रे फर्स्ट रे इज कनेक्ट अब इसके प्रीवियस को जाना है फ्रॉम शाफ्ट नंबर 3 टू शाफ्ट नंबर 2 मतलब ये स्टेज अब यहाँ पे गैप कितना है प्रीवियस स्टेज में गैप कितना है 2 का सो अभी ये पॉइंट को आपको प्रीवियस के साथ कनेक्ट करना है सिर्फ 2 का गैप मेंटेन करके ओके यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ गैप ऑफ 2 सो टेल मी हाउ शैल आई कनेक्ट ये 4 का गैप हो गया नाउ वी हैव टू मेंटेन अ गैप ऑफ 2 सो कैन आई कनेक्ट इट लाइक दिस
Yes. 780.
ये 2 का गैप
Yes.
2 का गैप ठीक है
Yes.
and can I connect it somewhere here or here if I connect it like this just check 1191,788 reduction goes 788 divided by while calculating reduction we have to take smaller value at numerator larger value at denominator so यहाँ पे reduction का 1191 से 788 तक होगा so 788 अपन 1191 0.66 that is acceptable that is greater than 0.25 and just check this reduction 345 upon 788 345 divided by 788
143.
0.43 so दोनों की रिडक्शन एक्सेप्टेबल है
Yes.
ओके सो आई कैन गो लाइक दिस नाउ इसके आगे क्या है गैप ऑफ 1 व्हाइल ड्राइंग रे डायग्राम हम सिर्फ गैप वी जस्ट कंसंट्रेट ऑन द गैप्स पहले हमने 4 का गैप मेंटेन किया बाद में कितने का गैप मेंटेन किया 2 का अभी गैप कितना मेंटेन करना है 1 का सो अभी लोग कनेक्टेड